My name is Malin, I'm 30 years old and I'm a Cochlear Nucleus Nexa user. It feels really good to have a smart CI implant because through all my life I will always have the newest upgrades. The technology is always evolving and the technology in my CI will always keep up. I feel really confident that the battery of my Nexa will last for a full day and even more. I always feel comfortable going out and knowing that regardless if I get home at 8 in the evening or at 3 in the middle of the night, the battery will still live. It feels really safe that if I lose my processor, I will just get a new one, and with the SmartSync system, it will transfer all my settings back to as they were in 20 seconds. I remember walking in the day I was gonna connect my Nexa system. It was laying on the table and I thought, wow, that's so small. So I was really satisfied with the size of it because you can barely see it. The best about having my Nucleus Nexa system is that I can go out and live my life again. I can be a part of social gatherings. I'm more independent. I can speak on the phone. I can hear my cat purr. It's a whole new world.